Can a brilliant research paper or thesis actually get rejected just because of a weak abstract? The hard truth is yes, it can. Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. In this video, I will discuss how to write a perfect research abstract. A strong research paper or thesis can sometimes be overlooked because of a weak abstract. So, today I will explain a simple 5-step framework to write a clear, professional, and effective abstract. The abstract is often the first and most important part readers see. Reviewers, professors, and researchers usually read the abstract before deciding whether to continue reading the full paper. That is why the abstract works like the digital storefront of your research. A good abstract should quickly show the value of your work in a clear and professional way. The standard research abstract is usually about 150 to 250 words. Although it is short, it should still tell the complete story of the research. A strong abstract usually includes 5 parts: background, problem, method, results, and impact. This structure helps make the abstract organized, concise, and meaningful. First, start with background and motivation. In one or two sentences, introduce the broader topic and explain why it is important. Then write the problem statement. This should clearly show the research gap or the specific problem your study aims to solve. In simple words, first give the context, then show the gap. Next, briefly explain how you conducted the study. You may mention whether your research is experimental, numerical, survey based, or data driven. Keep this part concise. Do not explain the full method in detail. Just mention the main approach, materials, data, model, or analysis technique used in the study. The results are the heart of the abstract. Here, you should present the most important findings using clear information, trends, or numerical values of possible. Avoid vague sentences such as the results were analyzed. Instead, clearly state what you found. Finally, end with the conclusion and impact. Mention the main contribution, implication, or future value of your research. Before writing your abstract, remember 3 golden rules. First, write the abstract last after completing the paper or thesis. Second, keep it self-contained, avoid citations, and define acronyms before using them. Third, choose 3 to 5 strong keywords because they help readers and search engines find your research easily. To summarize, a good abstract should be structured, concise, professional, and ready for publication. By following the five-step framework, background, problem, method, results, and impact, you can make your abstract clear and attractive. Writing a perfect text abstract takes practice, but this structure will help you improve your academic writing. Thank you for watching.